Man is a boastful creature. This is a theme of one of Shelley's work, finding out Ozymandias. Shelley was alone the perfect singing god. His thought, word, deed all sang together. Whose comment is this? Swinburne. How many cantos does the Revolt of Islam have? 12 cantos. The Cenci has 5 acts. Oedipus Terinus 12 foot. The Tariant is a tragedy in a 2 act. How many parts does the Cenci plant have? 3 parts. The Cenci is a tragedy. From where did Shelley get the idea of writing the Prometheus Unbound, a play of Aeschylus? The Prometheus Unbound is a 4 act. I have dipped my pen is a consuming fire for has a destroyer. Here is Shelley taking about the editor who destroyed the reputation of a kid. Find out the name of the reviewer. The Quieter Review and Blackwood Magazine. The scene of Oedipus Terinus are lead in Thebes. Shelley, a real to Miranda, was inspired by one of a Shakespeare play. Which play is this? The Tempest. What influenced Shelley most? Political Justice. Godwin. Shelley Marks of Anarchy is a satire. Which poem is autobiographical is Nature? Alastair. The narrative poem of Mystery and Supreme. It. The Witches of Atlas. Julian and Maldo reveals the better. Cynicism of Count Mardo. The cynicism is referred closely in Lord Byron view. Julian reflects atheism and faith in the Pauline of a man. The view of Julian is reflected in Shelley himself. Which year has been a year of happening for Shelley? This year was a year when Alastair was published. Harry died and Shelley married Mary Godwin. सन 1816 में It is an attack on dogmatic religion, government, industry, tyranny and war. It is an outcry against the unspiritual forces that weight down humanity. Here is the reference of Queen Mab सन 1813 में. The Revolt of Islam, which was based on a revolutionary theme, came out on January 1 सन 1818. It was written the Spenserian stanza. The original title of the book was Lone and Cynthia. Adonis is an Spenserian stanza. Poetry is the record of a best and happiest moment of the happiest and best mind. Shelley. He lives, he wake it that is dead. Not he occurring Adonis. Which book of based on Godwin political justice? Queen Mab. It is a lyrical drama which was produced in सन 1821 and published in सन 1822. It is a Hellas. It is a pastoral elegy on a death of a kid, modeled on a Byron, Adonis and Moschus lament for Byron. Finding out Adonis. The one remain. The many charge and pass appear in P.B. Shelley की पोयम एडोनस से ये लाइन ली गई है. The poem Shelley is an unfinished poem. Hazlitt describe it as new and terrific dance of death. finding out the temp of a life. I am daughter of a earth and a water. यह लाइन पी शैली की पोएम क्लाउड से ली गई है. मेक मी दाई लायर इवन एज द फॉरेस्ट इज. यह लाइन पी की शैली की पोएम और टू द वेस्ट विंड से ली गई. लाइफ में चेंज बट इट मे फ्लाई नॉट ए होप मे वेनिस बट कैन डाई नॉट. यह लाइन पी शैली की पोएम हेलास से ली गई है. शैली लाइफ एंड हिज हिस्ट्री आर dissolutely correctly. He acted what he thought and felt. यह कमेंट जॉन एडिसन सेमेंट ने कहा है. जूलियन एंड माल्टा इज an heroic couplet and present a conversation between Julian and Malta is based on the theme of the power of man and poetry of a human mind. In this poem, Julian and Malta was represented in Shelley and Byron respectively. Prometheus Unbound सन 1818 और 20 is a lyrical drama that reflect Shelley's revolutionary atheism. The hero Prometheus represents mankind while Job is the personification of a human situation. It is written in a 4-act reflecting Shelley. Thrust for levity because my father honor did demand my father that. These lines are from a tragedy of a blank verse with 5 facts identifying the sensi. It presents platonic love of a Shelley who speak of Emilia Vavini, whose poem in this Iphigenia. This poem is a tragedy of an idealist who seek in reality the contemporary of the idol. The other title of a Leicester सन 1816 is The Spirit of a Solitude, the most gentle, the most amicable and the least worldly minded person I ever met, whose words are these and about whom Byron and Shelley. It is the best lyrical drama that shows Shelley revolutionary atheism best. Which one? Prometheus Unbound. Iphigenia celebrates platonic love. Adonis is theonomy over the death of the poet. Keat है. Wordsworth found the Shelley lost himself a nature whose comment in a long one मतलब कि on whose grave are the following line from the Tempest described nothing of him that doth fade but doth suffer as she change into a something rich and strange. Shelley, the Greek name of a vengeful demons and a driven the victim to desert place in Leicester. The tenth of a life is a Shelley unfilled poem. Shelley is a beautiful and intellectual angel beating in a void, his luminous wings in a vein, whose comments in Matthew Arnold. A poem was an image of a life expressed in external truth, and poetry is the experience of imagination. Who shared in a Shelley? Imagination is the great instrument of a moral good. A man is the greatly good must imagine incessantly and comprehensively. Who shared Shelley? Poetry is indeed something driven. It is once the center and circumstance of a knowledge. Who shared in Shelley? Poetry is that from which all spring and that which adams all, and poetry redeems from. decay the vegetation to the dignity of a man who shed. ये सैली ने कहा था, पोइट आर द मिरर ऑफ द गैगेनिक शेडो विच futurity cast upon the present. Poet are the acknowledged legislators of the world who shed. Sally, who consideration difference of a poetry as the profounder essay in the English language. Herbert Reed. Sally wrote a defense of a poetry as a reply to the charge made against poetry by Thomas Love Peacock in the Four Age of a Poetry. The poet is a semi-barbarian, is a civilized committee. Love Peacock. Sally the difference, so the influence of Plato and Sidney Apology. A poet participate in the external, the infinite, and the one as far as it relate to his consumption, time and place and number to not. ये सैली ने कहा, द टू परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ इक्वल स्किल विल प्रोड्यूस एन इक्वल इफेक्ट फ्रॉम ए गुटार एंड ए हार्प. यह सैली ने कहा था, पोइट्री इज एवर अनकम्प्लेनड विथ प्लेजर्स ऑल स्पीट ऑन विच इट फॉल ओपन्स themselves to receive the wisdom which is mingled with in delight who shed. सैली ने कहा, poetry is that from which all spring and that which adorns all. Poetry redeems from decay the vegetation of the dignity of a man. ये सैली ने कहा था, poet are the mirror of the gigantic shallow which futurity cast upon the present. Poet are the acknowledged legislators of the world. ये सैली ने कहा था, who consider difference of a poetry as the profound essay in the English language. ये हर्बर्ट रीड ने कहा था, सैली wrote a defense of a poetry as a reply to charge made against poetry as a Thomas Love Peacock in the Four Stages of a Poetry. The poet is a semi-barbarian in a civilized community. ये लव पिकॉक ने कहा था, सैली द डिफेंस सो द inferiority of a Plato and a Sidney Apology. A poet participate in the eternal, the infinite, and the one as far as it is related to the conception, time and place and number do not. Who shed. ये सैली ने कहा था, टू परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ ए इक्वल स्किल विथ प्रोड्यूस एन इक्वल इफेक्ट फ्रॉम ए गिटार एंड आ हार्प. हु शेड. ये सैली ने कहा था, पोइट्री इज एवर अनकम्पाइंड विथ प्लीजर्स ऑल स्पीट ऑन विच इट फॉल ओपन themselves to receive the wisdom which is mingled with it delight. Who said. सैली ने कहा, a poet of a nightingale is who sits in darkness and sings to cheer it on suitable with sweet sound. ये लाइन सैली ने कहा था, the idea of a Sally seems to me always to me idea of a adolescence, as there is every reason why there should be. Whose comment is this. ये T.S. Eliot ने कहा था, who called Sally an inflected angel. ये अर्नोल्ड ने कहा था, there is harmony in actum dear and yet dears for it my stay least the grave should be like life and fear a dark reality. Sudden thy shadow fell on me, I shivered and clasped my hand in ecstasy. These are the expert from him to intellectual beauty. Fresh spring and summer and winter whore move my front heart with grief. सैली ने कहा था, फ्रेश स्प्रिंग एंड समर एंड विंटर और मूव माई फ्रंट हार्ट विथ ग्रीफ. यह लाइन शैली के लेमेंट से ली गई। हाउ मैनी एक्ट द देयर इन शैली लिरिकल ड्रामा प्रोमेथियस अनबाउंड फॉर। इन दिस पोएम द पोएट एक्सप्लोर्स द क्वालिटी ऑफ ब्यूटी एंड द ह्यूमन रेस्पॉन्स टू इट। He focused on the spirit, the abstract ideal. The real beauty is the human explanation of creativity and imagination. The ability to perceive beauty and truth in experience is itself an experience per excellence. The human mind remain it work. The ability to know make each person like his intellectual potentials like lines like every from containing them whom spirit fear thy spells did blind to fear himself and love all humankind। यह लाइन पीबी शैली की पोएम हिम टू इंटेलेक्चुअल ब्यूटी से ली गई है। विच रोमांटिक पोइट एपिटाफ रीड नथिंग ऑफ हिम दैट दूत फेड but doth suffer a sea change into a something rich and strange। quotation from Shakespeare के The Tempest Percy Bysshe Shelley। Cenci is a poetic play of Shelley। Shelley ode to the West which uses treasure rhyme। Which book of Shelley has the vaguest motif? Alter if winter come can be for behind spring। The eldest son of Timothy and Elizabeth Shelley। Shelley dedicated his Adonis to Keats। Justoji is a Gothic novel of Shelley। It is a philosophic poem which are published in सन 1813 में। It has 9 cantos and 17 notes। For this Shelley is indebted to Godwin। Political justice name the poem Queen Mab। Shelley published the revised version of a portion of Queen Mab under the title The Demons of the Word। Queen Mab is a fairy। She is referred to in Romeo and Juliet है। The Cenci is a tragedy in 5 acts written in blank verse। This is the work of Shelley। It is published in सन 1820 में। It is a 4 act। It is a kind of a closest drama Prometheus Unbound। Noel Coward was so inspired by Shelley Skylark that he gave the title to his comic play from the word of the first stanza। Bleak Spirit। Julian and Marda A Conversation is a poem 617 line। The Revolt of Islam is a poem in 12 cantos in 4818 line। In 1810 में Shelley wrote a poem in 4 cantos but it remained unpublished until सन 1877 में। It was published posthumously for the Shelley Society by Reeves and Turner लंदन सन 1877 में। This poem is a wandering Jew